So to make Chinese chicken noodle soup, you can use any kind of noodles. So it doesn't really matter what kind of noodles you use. You can vary it, but the basic recipe I'm going to make today for chicken noodle soup, Chinese style. These are the Farkay noodles, which we can use for soup or stir fry. I have some Farkay noodles going into the water. So the important thing is make sure they don't stick when you put them in. So make sure they're all spread out. So I make sure I keep the noodles nice and loose at this point. So once they're in the water, you just make sure you keep stirring the noodles. So when I was a little kid, I used to hear the word Farkay noodles. So I thought it was made in the United States, but in fact Farkay sounds like Farkay, which means America. In fact, the Farkay noodles are actually made in a company in Vancouver. It's the right texture for me at 5 minutes, so I'm going to take the noodles off right now. Put the noodles in a strainer and run some cold water through the noodles. So this will help get rid of some of the starches and also stop the noodles from overcooking. This is the chicken stock that we have from yesterday. It's infused with the ginger, garlic, and the green onions. So this chicken stock we put in the fridge overnight, and then we put the put it through a strainer, and then you also take out the fat. So if you don't have chicken stock, you can use chicken soup base. You can use chicken bones to make your own soup stock. I got some chicken stock going from yesterday's chicken, so I put a few stalks of broccoli in there. You can use whatever kind of chicken you like. I've got some fresh chicken thigh. So this is a whole thigh that I'm going to put in right now. So put that in, and you'll also get more flavor from the thighs going into the soup stock right now. So give the broth with the broccoli and the chicken a quick stir. I'm going to put the chicken and broccoli into the noodles. So pour the remaining broth into the bowl. So I'm just going to sprinkle about a teaspoon of sesame oil. So this will bring a nice fragrance and flavor to the chicken noodles. There you have it. A simple and easy recipe for chicken noodle soup Chinese style. Enjoy. The Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel was awarded one of the top 20 best Chinese food blogs and websites in the world. So I'm happy to accept this award. I'd like to thank all my viewers for all your support and help, and I look forward to making more Chinese cooking videos for you.